I gotta record really quick because they don't allow videos. Alright, let's go look at some of the big stuff. Here's the 500 gram. Huh? Yeah, I know. Some Roman candles. They got a bunch of firecrackers. All right, let's go to the Excaliburs real quick. This says $289. Excalibur $289. Buy one get one free. $289. Honestly, their artillery shells are way overpriced, but their cakes are actually, so like I was saying, their cakes, their 500 gram and 200 grams are decently priced, but the artillery shells are way too expensive. Like, it's kind of ridiculous, but